Hi everybody. If you're like me and you do a lot of work in your shop by yourself, corner clamps can be a huge help. So today we're going to make some really strong corner clamps. I want to make these clamps thicker than what I've seen elsewhere because I want them to be able to sit on their edge without falling over so easily. I think it'll be easier to work with that way. So I'm going to take a piece of 3/4 inch ply scrap that I have laying around. I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to glue them down. And then when they're dry, I'm going to shape them. Are right angle clamps. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. So we have to make sure that our saw was tuned properly and that these corners are indeed 90 degrees. And to do that, you're going to need something that you know is really 90 degrees, like I have here. And as long as there's no rock, as long as this doesn't rock like this on any corner, or you don't see a gap here, and you can easily do that by just holding it up to the light. If you see light coming through here, then there's something off. That corner looks good. This corner looks good. This corner looks good. And that corner looks good. So now we're ready to go on to the next step. I'm going to be drilling a hole as close to the inside corner of this clamp as I can without weakening it. And the reason for that is I want to be able to use a corner brace and attach it with another clamp. If you're not sure what I mean, you're going to see one a little bit later on in this video. I used a 2-inch Forstner bit because that's the largest bit I had. If I had a bigger one, I would have made it bigger. Just something to think about. Now, you don't need to cut a curve into these clamps, but I like the way it looks, so I'm going to do that. And to get the right curvature, I found that the top of a 5-gallon bucket kind of gave me the right curve, and that's why I use that to trace. I can't call this project finished yet. I have to put a round over on it. So I'm going to use a 1/4 inch round over bit, and I'm just going to clean off the edges a little bit. I'm back at the table saw and I'm using the scrap material that we left behind at the bandsaw, which was the inner part of the triangle. And we're going to make corner braces, and those corner braces are going to be used in unison with the corner clamp to keep everything tight when everything's clamped together. I actually made a little miscalculation here, but it's okay because I'm just going to fix it up at the bandsaw. These clamps are solid. These are going to be really helpful, especially since I'm going to be building some pretty big projects in here in a few months. I hope you liked this video. If you did, check out my other videos, and if you like those, please subscribe. And to those of you who already have subscribed, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I hit my 100th subscriber this week, and I can't tell you how much that means to me. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.